This account turns brands into cartoon animations, and it's pulling millions of views. And I'll show you exactly how to do it for any brand, even your own AI tool. Head to aicenturies.com and open the GPT library. Search brand cartoon and click Start Chat. This GPT turns any brand logo into a 3D cartoon character that talks about itself. Click Image Maker. It asks for the logo and a few details: age, emotion, setting, and what the character is doing. Click the plus, upload the ChatGPT logo, and describe your character. I'll make ChatGPT very old, tired, and sad, sitting in a wheelchair in a quiet autumn park with a long gray beard and a little name badge. Then send it. It writes a full image prompt for you. Copy it, then head to OpenArt and open Create Image. Set the model to Nano Banana Pro, the aspect ratio to 9:16, and the resolution to 2K. Drop the ChatGPT logo into the reference box so the head stays exact. Paste the prompt and click Generate. A few seconds later, you get your character, old, sad ChatGPT slumped in the wheelchair. Go back to the GPT and ask for a video prompt. It writes a talking shot to match with the line, "I'm ChatGPT and I'm so tired." Copy that prompt, switch to the Video tab and open Frame to Video. Set the model to Kling 3.0 and add your image as the start frame. Paste the video prompt, turn audio on, set the duration to 8 seconds and the resolution to 1080p, then click Generate. Give it a minute. And there he is, ChatGPT, old and tired in his wheelchair, saying the line out loud.
I'm ChatGPT, and I'm so tired.
I ran a few more through the same steps. ChatGPT buried in error pop-ups, and Claude standing tall with a clean build passed. I made those with Kling 3.0 too.
I cannot fix this.
I am Claude. My build just passed. I am ready to assist.
You'll find all the links and tools I used in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.